Hello, my name is Jan Mattes. I'm Chief Product Owner of Signavio Process Analysis and Mining, and I will now show you the release highlights of our 24.12 release. This is Process Insights 24.12, our December release, and let me now go into one of my favorite process flows, which is supplier invoicing without purchase orders. What you see here is our process flow analysis. And what is now newly introduced is that you have here direct link into the correction recommendations. You see the amount of correction recommendations, and then you can directly drill into those to see them linked to the blockers. Also, a new enhancement is that we now depict the trends, not only in item count, but also with a percentage distribution. You see that here. Furthermore, we've been enhancing also our ability to link into the source system itself. So if I go into the details here, then I click into the transaction, and then my system opens directly, and I can then basically go directly into the system to analyze even further. So much for the process flows. Now let's have a look into our value analysis. Here we've been introducing the ability also to filter for certain areas. So you see this is my procurement FTE productivity. And if I go into such a definition like purchase order items created, I can now also add a filter which basically would limit then the data that I will perceive here, and also the value progression that I would have. So what I can do here is basically filter for, let's say, my company codes. Let's go here and move this to the left. And then I can selectively select maybe only my retail companies. And with that, I would be having a nice filtering just to see my retail companies for the value analysis. And the last thing I want to make you aware of is that we enhanced our administration. Now you can also see in the system configuration tab which ST API version you've been using. Remember, it is important because we will only support the last 2 versions of STPI in the future. So this is basically an important information. You always need to have an eye on that you are really upgrading your system to the last versions of ST API. I hope you like what you've seen, and stay tuned for more videos.